I don't care who we're playing, I don't care what we're doing. We're playing our game, we're playing our systems, we're playing hard. Win every battle, make sure you guys finish every shift strong. Remember what they're coming here to do. We're gonna throw everything back at them.
The feeling of the puck on the end of your stick, and then just rifling it off down the ice, either in the net or towards a pass, towards a player. Seeing that little piece of vulcanized rubber soar across the ice surface is just a cool feeling.
When it comes to the difference between club hockey and varsity or NCAA hockey is, I try to tell people that besides the scholarships or the schedule or maybe the competitive level, these guys are playing for the same pride and drive as somebody that would be playing in the NCAA.
Oh, so I curl down low?
So a guy that goes to Catholic University, he is competing with his buddies, he is on a team that is competing for a championship, and he's also getting the same degree after those 4 years. So club hockey is still college hockey.
Beautiful, beautiful play.
Absolutely.
From the Cardinals as they get another offensive chance. It's Duchesne. He rips one. Far post. That is 4-0 in favor of the Cardinals.
Automatically you have like 20 friends. They treat you like brothers. It's a great time. Have something to do every weekend. Have something to do during the week. Get to stay active. It's just fun.
I don't think that actually the hockey team gets enough credit for how serious of a program we really are. There's definitely a learning curve. I mean, we have practice on Monday and Wednesday nights late, 9:30, 10:30 at night. So you got to be able to balance your schoolwork with the ice time, and then you have to make the commitment to games and everything. And I think all the guys in the locker room are like real motivated to do well this year.
I always tell the guys every year they come in that when they come in as a freshman, I want them to leave better men than they came in as. And I had the opportunity to connect with the Washington Ice Dogs, which is a hockey program that helps kids with developmental disabilities. And I thought it was a good opportunity to kind of pay it forward and give back a little bit. We tell the guys that we want them to do good and play well. And the Washington Ice Dogs charity game and the practice that we do with the team kind of gives us the opportunity to do both. And that allows us to raise some money for them, as well as be on the ice with them, give back, help out, and kind of give these guys a taste of the real world.
So I've been doing that for 4 years now. I've been lucky enough to be a part of that since my freshman year, and it's a really awesome experience. Really get to see these kids and be a part of it. Even if you're out there for just an hour, you just know it makes a world of difference for them. Just having them in the locker room with us before the game, skate with us in warm-ups, it's unbelievable. Puck handling, passing, skating a lot, just having a good time. We play games out there with them and stuff like that. We sometimes play goalie against them a lot, and it's probably one of the best things I've been a part of at Catholic, I think. It's kind of a maturing thing, and it really makes you realize how fortunate you are in your life, and be able to give back to a team like the Ice Dogs is the highlight of their week. And sometimes for some of these kids, they don't stop talking about it. They say they look forward to it every year.